Hello, this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am unboxing a diamond painting from FeeLook Art. They reached out to me again. I chose a Santa one this time, and the pictures showed a very manageable size, but when it got here, it's huge. So let's unbox this thing. The box is beautiful, by the way. So let's open these up. So it's gonna take me a while to get all this diamond painting done. So I'll keep you updated on the progress. It's so big it won't even fit on my desk. When tiny sparks become masterpieces, isn't that cute? So here's the tool kit. So let's open that up. See, I haven't even opened that. See what's inside the tool kit. We got baggies for your diamond paintings, which I don't use. I use the little tubes that I have in my holder. Ooh, this is a pretty pen. Look at this pen. Isn't that pretty? What else is in here? Ooh, these are fancy tweezers. And it's purple. Very nice tweezers. And that's a nice pen. What's the... I guess this is just a cute little topper. Not fancier than the that's it. Is there... Oh, I dropped the rest of it. Oh, sorry. I was like, where are the trays? So it comes with these. There's 2 white trays. It comes with this little. Oh, it's a little container with the putty. How do you open it? It's so tiny. There we go. And it's got two rows of putty. 3 rows of. Did I say 2? 3 rows of putty. So you just dab it in there. It's a nice weight too. And then to label your baggies, or if you're gonna use tubes like I am, you can use these iridescent numbers. Isn't that pretty? So that's the tool set. Let's put that to the side. I like the pen. So okay, I guess here's the pamphlet that comes with it. Let's see what's inside here. It tells you what the kit contains, step-by-step instructions, tips and tricks. That's nice. Oh, you could put here the start and completion dates. Okay, there's... Oh, what's this? It's a little card. Oh, it's the diamond painting. It's called Gifts of Cheer. It's like a iridescent. It's like a trading card. Isn't that cool? Scratch off below. I wonder what that is. Probably some deal or something, but I'll leave that for myself. But that's the diamond painting itself. So let's get that's a lot. Look at all that. And I'm sorry, it's not won't fit on here, but look at. Does it say what size it is? Made to last, made with care, eco-responsible canvas. No bleed, no waste, no compromise. That's what it says at the bottom here. It says, proud of your masterpiece. Use hashtag FeeLook to be featured on our social media. Oh, here's the sizes. The design is 50 centimeters by 70 centimeters, which translates to 19.7 inches by 27.6 inches. The fabric itself is 22.8 by 30.7. and it's called Gifts as Cheer. There's the little sample painting as well. And look at the actual letters and stuff. Pretty clear. Very clear. Let's check the tackiness. Oh, it's pretty tacky. It's stuck to my finger. So like I said, I'll keep you updated on the progress of this, because it's gonna take me a while to get all that done. It's beautiful though. There we go. You see it? How big it is? Look at the houses back there. That's gonna come out real pretty when it's done. So I'll have their link below with a coupon code for my subscribers, plus a link to this one here if you would like this one as well. And if you have any questions, just leave me in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. It has a total of 45 colors, so that's going to be very, very detailed, I think, with the 45 colors. And the symbols and the numbers, they look pretty easy to follow. That's a weird one. Where did I see that one? And that's an A. There's one that I just saw that looked a little weird. It's like hieroglyphics or something. That's pretty cool though. But I'm gonna enjoy working on this one. This canvas feels different than the other canvases that I've done. It's softer. It's not like a painting canvas. It's like cloth, sort of. It's got little dots on the ends. I'm not sure why. Make it pretty or something. Or that's where they print and cut. So maybe it's because it's an eco-responsible canvas that it feels different. I don't know if you could tell the texture in the camera. But I'm impressed. So check back throughout the year. Let's see if I can get this done for next Christmas, because it sure won't be for this Christmas. And I really do love their pen. Their pen is pretty nice. Every diamond you place is a small step toward something extraordinary. The box is, and this box was enclosed inside another box. So this box came very safe because it came in 2 boxes. So they don't ship it just in this box right here. So I'll have to get another, because I have several diamond paintings going right now. I'll have to get another container or a little holder to put all these diamonds in. So this is going to be interesting. So okay, all these little tools and stuff, it came out pretty cool. There we go. And then the iridescent card. I guess you can, once you keep on getting from FeeLook, you get these and collect them, and that way you go, oh yeah, I made that one, and probably put a date on it so you can have it. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with new diamond painting art. Mr. Santa. Oh, I have him upside down. We don't want Santa upside down. Hold on. There we go. With Mr. Santa. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye now.